PC algorithm. Oh my god, I think I'm actually gonna throw up. Oh, thank God. I can finally put my puke bucket away. I can finally see all the detail of this rose and torch. So if you want to have this super ugly Minecraft stupid non-generic shaders, then follow these simple, very simple techniques to make sure that your techniques, that they're good techniques. They're gonna be good techniques. Just follow this. But first, this wouldn't be a quick Minecraft tutorials video if I didn't say, remember to like and comment on this video. If you don't like and comment on this video, none of this will work. Mojang knows if you liked and commented on this video. The algorithm knows, and it's connected to your Minecraft Mojang account, and it won't work unless you like and comment on this video. Love, Travis. Oh, hey guys, I didn't see you there. I was just commenting and liking my video, how to put a horse in a boat, because that's what you have to do in order for this to work, just so you know. Okay, there's two websites you're going to have to go to. One's called Optifine. You could just type in optifine.net. Once you go to optifine.net, it should look like this. What you're going to want to download is, you're going to see this little cheeky little thing right here. It says preview versions. Then you're going to want to download something that works for you. I don't know, this works for me. Download that. That's gonna go straight into your downloads folder right there. Perfect. Then we're gonna have to look up something else called
SILDURS.
Shaders. Slider Shaders is a shading a resource pack that enables you to add delicious shaders. What's cool about this shaders is that you get light, medium, high motion blur, extreme, and sliders, vibrant shaders, version 1.27, extreme volumetric lighting. Download. Then you're gonna want to wait a couple seconds, click skip. Perfect. Then you're gonna click this download button. It's gonna go straight into your downloads folder. Don't worry about anything else that's in the downloads folder. You're gonna go to your downloads folder, make sure that you have a .jar for Optifine, and you're gonna have Sliders Vibrant Shaders Extreme VL, because you have the best computer in the business. What you're gonna want to do before you do anything, you're gonna want to click Optifine, double click on that. It's gonna open up. It's gonna say, hey, is this where you want to install Optifine? You click install. Oh, look at that, it's installed successfully. Oh my goodness. What you're going to want to do before that, though, is you're going to want to open Minecraft. Click play. Make sure you run that, because if you don't run it, bad things will happen. Alright, you're just going to click out of that. Make sure you don't do anything with that. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to hit the Windows key R button and type %app_data%. This is how we're going to install our Minecraft shaders. You're going to go to .minecraft, and there's a little cheeky little thing right here. It's a little tiny folder called shader packs. It's gonna be empty because you have nothing. You're gonna take this .zip from Sliders Vibrant Shaders and just click and drag in there. Wow, how easy. It's easy as that, but you need to comment and like on this video in order for any of this to work. We're going to load into a game, fresh new start. We're going to see what's going on here. As this world loads, I'm just going to keep on talking. Remember to like, comment. Oh, awesome this looks. And I know you wanted to dirty it up with a bunch of shaders and make it ugly and stuff. So what you want to do is to hit escape button, click that options, click video settings, click shaders. Oh my god, Sliders Vibrant Shaders version 1.27 Extreme VL is there. Click on that. Then it's going to load a bit. It's going to verify you liked. It's going to verify you commented. And once all that's done, oh my god, there it is. Oh my god. Oh my, here it is. It's shaders. You get to see a shadow. Oh my god, this is so ugly. You get to see floating squid. Ew. Oh my god, this is just awful. Oh, I hate this so much. Oh, look at all this. Oh my god. I cannot believe it. If you want your Minecraft thing to look like this, don't forget to like and comment on this video, because the algorithm knows whether or not you downloaded and liked and commented everything. So make sure to hit that like button and comment below. And if you like these videos, make sure you subscribe. Bye-bye. Algorithm. Hit that bell icon. Like. He's the algorithm. Ugh, this just looks lame. Ha, much better. I mean, come on. This just looks terrible. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at the lighting in here is just so bad. Much, much better. Look at the lighting. You can see the blocks. You can see everything you want. Ugh, none of that terrible ray tracing. Ugh, how I desire to not see how ugly this is. Oh my god, just ugliness all around. I mean, just look at the detail. Look at the details inside the fire. You just can't compare them. Look at this. Oh my god, it's so good.